program over here for CES 2020. We're talking with Shane Reamer of D-Link about Nuclias Connect. And I understand, Shane, that this will be a device that will really be helpful for small businesses, some other groups like that. Explain.
Yeah, so what Nuclias Connect is right now a lot of small businesses are either using a mesh network or they're having to pay for a very complicated server and AP setup. What Nuclias Connect is it's more of a simplified remote management kind of or centralized management system. With this Connect up here, they can connect as many access points to it and manage it all from the hub itself. They can connect up to 1,000 APs that way. They can also use a computer or a PC to install free software on and manage their APs in a wireless network as well. It comes up to 16 SSIDs, so they can differentiate the difference between a Wi-Fi network for their employees, for guests, for HR, or any other parts of the company they have. It really just kind of gives them more customization for it.
And so if we're talking about, let's say, small businesses, if we're on them, that don't have a lot of times an IT staff, hardly IT at all, how easy is it to work with? If they don't want to go to the cloud, they want to use this, how easy is it for them?
Yeah, you're going to need to know a little bit about how to manage a Wi-Fi network and all the settings that come on the business side. But in terms of setting it up, it should be relatively easy. The software you can install on a computer, or you can buy the hub. The software is already on there. It looks the same no matter which one you use. But from there, it's pretty much a plug-and-play solution where they plug in the access points, they power them up, and then they kind of go in and configure the settings.
And when it comes to companies like this that we're talking about still that don't have huge IT budgets or departments to help out, is there a lot in this realm that is an option for them, or is it really just cloud or something like this?
In terms of D-Link, yeah, we have a lot. We also have a cloud managed network solution. We have switches and APs that come with the standard, the more traditional network that people are familiar with. But something like this may be better for a small business which is looking to keep their network management on-premise, keep it private and set up the way they want to, but also still get that customization that they need without spending a lot of money on a server or paying for professional IT staff that they have to house, especially when they only have 4 to 10 employees. So this is probably a better deal for someone.
Yeah, definitely when budgets are really tight. Shane, we appreciate it very much. We'll have much more coming up for you here on Tech Republic and ZDNet from CES 2020.